in Milwaukee, has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin, southwestern Ozaukee County in southeast Wisconsin, northern Milwaukee County in southeast Wisconsin, southeastern Washington County in southeast Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin, northwestern Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, until 3:30 p.m. At 12:29 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain over these counties. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Milwaukee, Waukesha, West Allis, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Menominee Falls, Mequon, Whitewater, Whitefish Bay, Pewaukee, Brown Deer, Grafton, Cedarburg, Port Washington, Sussex, Heartland, Jefferson, Delafield, and Fox Point. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.